Hi, and welcome to this information video on my wellness program, especially for my signature program, StrongBIRTHS, which is a postpartum recovery and fitness roadmap. Let me introduce myself. My name is Chloé Bouclin-Sabourin. I've been 10 years and more in the health field, and it all started in 2011 when I graduated as a kinesiologist at Université de Montréal. Then in 2015, I became a physiotherapist, and 2025, a metabolic balance coach. It started with elite sports teams like the Pro Ultimate Frisbee in Montreal to University of McGill for the soccer men's team, and then I shifted my focus to add in pre and postnatal care. Why? Because I became a mom of two. My personal postpartum experience with fatigue, depletion, healing, and returning to physical activity, well, now I specialize in helping women feel strong, functional, and connected again. My approach blends clinical experience, live experience, and evidence based tools. What's covered in this information video are 5 things. 1, the nutrition plan, so metabolic balance. What is it and how it works? Number 2, your movement plan. Number 3, my signature program, StrongBIRTHS, how it supports postpartum women. Number 4, what does a coaching process look like within a 3-month timeline? And number 5, what is included and what's the cost? So if we start with number 1, the nutrition. What is metabolic balance? It's an innovative, all-natural nutrition program that brings balance to your hormones, optimizes your health, and leads to a new invigorating lifestyle, resulting in successful long-term weight management. Metabolic balance was developed over 25 years ago by Dr. Wolfgang Fack in Germany. The program was originally designed to heal inflammation and help reverse metabolic syndrome in his patients, which also result in achieving optimal body weight. The program was designed by studying the chemistry of one's individual lab values and the chemistry of food to then using food as prescription. To date, the program is managed by dedicated physicians and nutritional scientists. The foundation of the program is Metabolic Balance's unique capability to develop a truly personalized nutrition plan based on an in-depth analysis of your unique blood values, medical history, and personal likes and dislikes. Your personalized nutrition plan acts as your roadmap, indicating exactly which nutritional natural foods you should eat in order to orchestrate the biochemical changes needed to reaching your desirable weight and health goals. It is 100% natural. There are no prescription injections, pills, shakes, or proprietary foods, nor, as with some diets, are you required to keep points or count calories. Your local grocery stores and farmers market can easily provide all the wholesome nutrient-rich foods listed on your personalized meal plan. What can you expect? Weight loss, improved energy, better sleep, improved moods, less bowel and stomach problems, potentially reduction or elimination of the need of high blood pressure, cholesterol, and diabetic medication, hormonal balance, improve immune function, reduce allergies and intolerances, improve joint inflammation and pain. You save money on your weekly grocery bills because the program it pays for itself in just a few months. High success rates for lifelong health benefits and weight. A potential benefit for sufferers of polycystic ovarian syndrome, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. The foundation metabolic is blood work, your profile, and these 8 rules. So number 1, eat exactly 3 well-balanced meals a day. No snacking. And I assure you will be comfortable and feel no need for snacking when ensuring your water intake between the meals. Number 2, ensure there is a 5-hour break between meals. This gives insulin and your digestive system a break in between meals. Number 3, make sure each meal lasts no longer than 60 minutes, so an hour. This is for grazers who tend to eat and work and eat again and so on throughout the day. We want to ensure your digestive system gets a break and keeps your insulin levels from fluctuating all the time. Number 4, begin every meal with 1 or 2 bites of the protein portion. The amino acids in your protein stimulates glucagon, a hormone from the pancreas, which then stimulates leptin, which increases. This helps you feel full and keeps your hormones balanced. Number 5, be sure to have only 1 kind of protein per meal and have 3 different proteins per day. This helps to achieve maximum absorption of the protein's amino acids. Number 6, if possible, do not eat after 9 p.m. Of course, we can accommodate if this is not possible, because of work, for example, we will adjust. Number 7, drink the quantity of water calculated for you divided through the day. So the rule of thumb, it's 35 milliliters per water per kilogram of body weight. It is imperative to drink your water. You can drink more, but not less, because water plays a vital role in so many functions in the body, and it's its way to excrete. So 85% of your weight loss happens in your urine. We want to make sure your body has the tools it needs. And finally, number 8, eat an apple a day with one of your meals. An apple is a power-packed multivitamin. It's lower uric acid and helps draw toxins to the colon for elimination. Insulin is the major hormone we will work on balancing. It supports your health and hormonal balance. So when insulin increases, it leads to the following changes. Cholesterol increases, triglyceride increases, so the fat concentration in your blood, Adrenaline and cortisol, which are stress hormones, increase. Your melatonin decrease, so the sleeping hormone. So cortisol and melatonin work on your circadian rhythm, so your sleep will be affected. DHEA, it's the body's ability to build other hormones. It decreases. HGH, human growth hormone, decreases. And then your fat breakdown decreases. So this is an example of somebody eating throughout the day. Insulin spikes just as so. However, we actually want your body to have longer periods to burn energy. Metabolic balance plan ensures our insulin levels spike up and down within 2 hours. With 3 meals a day, this adds up to 6 hours a day, which leaves our body in fasting, so burning energy, for the course of 18 hours of a 24 period. The reason why we have 3 meals, this is the reason why we have 3 meals a day, is because of this. We want to manage that insulin response and allow your body to burn energy as frequently as possible throughout the day. Insulin is your instinct glucose fuel source. We want our body to tap into the fat burning fuel source, which is only possible when your insulin levels are reduced. The biological value of protein explains why we only consume 1 protein per meal. There are 8 amino acids. Our body can only absorb them when they are at an equal level, like we see here for an egg, which is a value of 100%. That value decreases with these examples. For example, you see cow's milk at 91, soybean at 76, and white bread at 44. We want to absorb as much as possible of amino acids. When we combine proteins, we decrease the body's ability to absorb them. In metabolic balance, we have 4 phases. So the first phase is the preparation phase. It's a gentle 2-day cleanse. Phase 2, it's the strict phase. It's kind of a conversion phase of 14 days. You follow your plan as it exactly laid out for you with the food specifically designed for you. You will be comfortable, I assure you. This brings a total of 16 days with phase 1 and 2 for a metabolic reset. This is the only part where it is more restrictive. Then comes phase 3, a more relaxed phase. It says it itself, it's more relaxed than phase 2. We start introducing treat meals, condiments, cooking oils, etc. It is more realistic. This is where you will stay long term until you reach your desired goal. But keep in mind, this isn't a body composition goal, but a health goal, which we will evaluate your 4 pillars of health: nutrition, exercise, stress management, and sleep. We want to make sure you sustain these lifetime changes. And finally, phase 4, the maintenance phase. This is an important phase as well, as because you will learn to monitor your progress and parameters to know exactly what to do if let's say you slip. The accountability check-ins will be continued here. Here you will find a sample food list. Every nutrition plan will be different depending on your chemistry, but we start from your specific meal plan, then we'll expand the list from there. So this is an example for protein, and then an example for the carbohydrate, with vegetables, fruits, breads. And here is what your meal plan can look like. You will appreciate that they're flexible suggestions. So the 9 portions are completely interchangeable. You will not have to do day 1, day 2, day 3, and repeat. We will go through them and see how they are interchangeable. Regarding the weight loss, this is a common question people ask us, is what classifies a successful weight loss plan? So a successful weight loss plan is when an individual reaches their goal weight and maintains it for 2 years. So metabolic balance has a 60% to 80% success rate. The only program that has a higher than 50% success rate in over 35 countries. So globally, it's the highest success rate. Another question we can have with weight loss is, how much weight can I expect to lose? Well, everybody is different and responds differently. A realistic expectation is the following. You can lose up to 5 to 8% of your total body weight during the 16-day reset period. Why? Because that's a period where your body is reducing inflammation, stimulating enzymes, balancing hormones, and flushing out toxicity. Your body goes through a lot inside of this period. Then you can lose 1 to 2% of your total body weight per week past that until an optimal body weight has been achieved. For example, if you're starting at 108 pounds, you can lose 9 to 14 pounds during the 16-day reset period. And then you can roughly lose 1.5, 3.5 pounds per week thereafter. That brings us to number 2 now, the movement plan. So your movement plays a key role in improving metabolism, circulation, digestion, and hormonal balance, especially when paired with the metabolic balance plan. So that's why you'll receive a personalized training program from me each month within the Weeby Vibe app. So this is an example of what it would look like if you have it on your desktop, but you can have an app on your phone. Whether you're walking, lifting, or building back consistency, I'll make sure your workouts match where you're at and where you want to go. No random workouts, just purposeful movement that supports your goals. And welcome now, I'm going to talk about for my signature program, StrongBIRTHS. So those that are not postpartum, just stay tuned. We'll talk about 4 and 5. But this is for active moms who want to rebuild strength after birth, so safely, progressively, and fully. What I'll include here is why I created this, what's adapted in your metabolic balance plan, and the 4 R's of recovery, the roadmap. Why I created this? Well, it's based on my own personal experience with fatigue, pain, postpartum depletion, and with the observations I made with my in-house postpartum physiotherapy clients. Many moms feel off but don't know why, and I want to change that. Most moms are medically cleared at 6 weeks postpartum, but are not truly ready to return to their active lives. They are left alone to figure it all out. I needed a system, so I created one. StrongBIRTHS combines rehab, fitness, food into one clear roadmap, all in one. This is what I would have wanted after my babies. What's adapted in your metabolic meal plan? Well, we're skipping phase one. It's too detoxing, and your body already has been through enough with your fluctuating hormones, all that, giving birth. So we'll use the foods really is to replenish your body and support your milk supply. You could call this a breastfeeding meal plan. Phase two only starts when breastfeeding stops or when your body and yourself are ready. There's no pressure. We go with the flow. The 4 R's recovery roadmap. So this is more for your movement plan. We have 4 phases: reconnect, recover, rebuild, and return. So reconnect and recover is more your rehab phase, and rebuild, return is more the fitness. So reconnect in all, it's like your post-birth. So your scars healing, you're reawakening your core, your abs, your pelvic floor. We're using breath work, releasing tension, we're working on mobility, introducing walking, and it's just basically build safety and trust. The recovery phase is the rehab specific. So this is correcting the posture from pregnancy, reducing pain, scar sensitivities, release tension, mobility, gentle strength, stability, and walking again. When we go into the rebuild, it's basically the bridge into fitness. We'll develop functional strength with progressive resistance, compound weightlifting at home, and build confidence. And finally, we'll have the return phase, which is the transition into your sports, hobbies, activities. It could be high impact movements, speed, power, agility, build tissue resilience, and injury prevention. I must say each phase lasts about 3 months or moves as your body is ready. There's no more guessing though, there's clear guided progression. And I have criteria for progressing from rehab to fitness, but we'll adapt depending where you are and your body is. Number 4, the coaching process. What does the coaching process look like? So all appointments will be made through Go Rendezvous, my online booking system. You will then be able to meet me in person if you're in my area, or online via Zoom for a video conference. This is the outline of the appointments, a one-on-one consultation. So the first appointment, we complete the intake form, we evaluate your goals, we evaluate your pillars of health. I send you a welcome guide and a requisition form for your blood work. The second appointment, we review your plan and go over it in great detail. You will be instructed to fully read your plan twice over and write down any questions you have, and we'll select a start date. There will be frequent communications during the first 16 days. The third appointment will evaluate your results, review phase 3. The fourth appointment, there'll be a 6-week lifestyle meeting, adjustment to the protocol if needed. The fifth appointment, we'll have our 3-month review. We'll reevaluate the pillars of health and finally offer you a 6th appointment to reevaluate your results and review phase 4. Throughout these one-on-one consultations, you will have access to ongoing messaging support via secure email and messagings within my work hours. So finally, what is included and what's the cost? A lot. So metabolic balance nutrition system, you have your blood work requisition, your personalized meal plan, you have your guides. I wrote here supplements and products. I know it's not about metabolic balance, but for postpartum women, I highly recommend some, depending what's going on, some supplements and reasons why. You have lifetime access, but mostly no yo-yo effect. For your coaching, it's for 3 months. There's one-on-one coaching consultations, ongoing messagings. For your body composition, I'll actually send you at home a Renfro bioelectrical impedance scale. So I really have more details on your body composition. And this will actually, the whole coaching program will avoid extra treatments later, like physio, meds, I'm telling you. And your personalized movement plan. So monthly workout plans delivered via my app, Weeby Vibe. All this for $1,997, tax included. And of course, if it does continue for 3 months, I'll give you a discount of $200. This is a complete solution, a one program, one price, zero guesswork. You're not just getting a PDF meal plan and generate workout. This will cost less doing physio, personal training, and nutritional consults separately. And it's more effective because it's all connected. It's everything I wish I had, and I'm offering it to you. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. There's multiple ways you can reach me out. You can go look at my website, email me, call me, text me, go on Instagram, Facebook. Do not hesitate. I am excited to start this journey with you.